Hi everyone and welcome to our last video spelling lesson where we are going to look at words ending in AL, al. Today we are going to look at words that end in the letters AL. For example, magical. Now we don't say it magical, do we? We say it magical, but it's AL, al. Confusing. Can you write these words that end in AL into sentences, please, as before? Our first word ending in AL is metal. Metal. Can you pause the video and write metal in a sentence, please? Our next word is pedal. Pedal, like how you pedal your bicycle, the pedals on your bicycle. There's pedals in a car that you press to make it go and stop. You could use any of these in a sentence about a pedal or pedals. Pause the video. Hospital, hospital. It's where you go if you're very poorly or if you need something to help you get better. The hospital. Pause the video and write a sentence about that now. Medical is next. Medical. This is quite a tricky one to get into a sentence, so I'll give you some hints. So if you hurt yourself, you might need medical help. These people are medical professionals or medical workers because they work in medicine. Okay, so things like that will help you with this slightly tricky sentence. Pause the video and do that now. Okay, and magical from the beginning. Can you put magical into a sentence for me, please? Now the last two words, medical and magical, actually use al as a suffix. Medic and magic are words on their own, but when we add al, the meaning changes. For example, the wizard used magic, which is a noun. The wizard was magical is an adjective, so it's a suffix that can change the class of the word. The suffix changes the meaning to something or someone who is magic. So there we go. This is your bonus challenge. I can't believe I left it this late to discover GIFs in my PowerPoints, honestly. Brings the fun, doesn't it? So this one's hard. I spent a long time trying to think of a sentence that could fit all of these words in. So if you can't do that, 2 sentences or 3 different sentences is fine because it is a tricky challenge to have magical, medical, metal, pedal and hospital in one sentence. Pause the video, give it a go, and then I will show you my tenuous sentence. Okay, so this is what I got. Trying to fit magical at the end was a stretch. I hurt my foot on the metal pedal, so I needed medical help at the hospital. All good. From the nurse who was so good at making me feel better, it was almost magical. I would love to see your sentences to try and fit all of these words in. I bet they are better than mine. Well done, everybody. I've loved learning spellings with you over lockdown, but I am so excited to learn again with you in real life. I will see you soon. You've done really well. Bye.